braces, and one of the hardest parts about retainers afterwards is keeping them clean. That's where these solutions come into play. It's a foaming solution and it works for about 3 minutes. You can see here it's starting to bubble and effervescent, and that is designed to help. It's going to come like totally cloudy, and I'm going to let this run for about 3 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. You see the bubbles are still going strong. The water is completely blue at this point, and the effervescence is what is helping to clean the retainers from the inside out. I love that I don't have messy bottles, tons of liquids, things of that nature. It does come with 96 of those tablets, and it's literally as easy as it seems. This finishing up, you can see it's good for dentures, retainers, mouth guards. It's a cleaning solution, orthodontist recommended. It says it cleans up to 99% of the odor causing problems, and it does come with a boatload of them. I love that there's 96 here. You literally just take them out, tear off the one you need, drop it in the solution, and you're good to go. You know it's done when it stops bubbling. So it's been about 3 minutes now and we no longer see the bubbling effect. I'm gonna go ahead and get them out. You see they are covered with a little bit of what looks like sodium and salt. I just take them over to the sink, give them a gentle rinse. And then they are nice and clear. I don't know if you can see up close, but it really does get rid of a lot of that white residue that for some reason likes to build up on retainers. This daughter is out of braces. This is a long-term retainer, and it gets kind of annoying to maintain these long-term, but I would say this is quite effective solution. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this helps, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.